Silverback does one step ahead of that, is that it highlights the screen clicks. So whereas Soapbox just records the screen, Silverback will highlight where they clicked on the screen. So if they clicked on something several times, my screen will highlight where they were clicking, so I can understand like they were trying to click on something, and for whatever reason either it didn't work or they were confused. I can see what they, like literally what they were doing on the screen. So that's the nicer thing about Silverback. It costs about $40, whereas Soapbox is free, so you can weigh your pros and cons there, highlighting on the screen versus not. And then the last thing, there's literally nothing that Post-it notes and Sharpies can't solve. I walk around with Post-it notes and Sharpies like in my backpack. You can check my bag now, they're probably some in there. And the thing with that is like they're very good for really all